You know, in Denver, we get called periodically to come out and look at historic homes, siding replacement options. One of the things to know right off the bat when it comes to replacing siding on a historic home is that it's going to be expensive. There's no way around it. No real good way around the high expense of working on a historic home. A lot of the products that are on a historic home tend to be aesthetics that are not commonly created, not commonly available. James Hardie used to create a scalloped shingle shake product. They discontinued that because it just was not popular enough. If you're looking to replace the siding on your historic home with some of the same type of aesthetics that are currently on it, the thing you need to know is that we're gonna have to use a high quality cedar type of product. It's gonna have to be sealed and painted with multiple coats, and that's gonna be very, very expensive. Of course, when you're in a historic area with a historic exterior, or you're in a neighborhood like Curtis Park, you know, historic and locked by the Historic Society, your design and your choices are limited. So in a situation like that, we understand that, you know, you just have to do what you have to do. But if you're somewhere where you have a new home that was designed to look like a historic home, and maybe some less durable products were put up, and those products are starting to rot and fall apart after only a few years, we recommend maybe considering a different aesthetic and maybe using some more durable products like James Hardie fiber cement. That said, when you are working on a historic home, there are a lot more options when it comes to window replacement. Window replacement is often one of the first things that you're looking at doing, because old windows in an old historic home are probably one of the greatest places of energy loss, you know, the lowest energy efficiency. We use Pella windows. So if you are looking for new windows, what we recommend in that case is Pella's Reserve line, specifically the traditional Reserve. Pella has an incredible product that's very, very customizable. You can still get that wood exterior with a beautiful, durable window, really radically improve the energy efficiency, and be able to maintain the historical aesthetic on the exterior of your home.